Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Alright, in this particular video, we are going to be discussing the non-repainting SuperTrend Indicator. Alright, we're going to be discussing the non-repainting SuperTrend Indicator. So this indicator is a custom indicator, meaning that you would have to download it and upload it to upload the indicator file to your indicators library before you can be able to add it to your chart on the MetaTrader terminal. Alright, so I'm going to be adding the indicator right away to the chart, the non-repainting SuperTrend indicator, and this is how the indicator looks like. Now, as you can see, this indicator is a trend following indicator. Alright, the indicator is a trend following indicator and it is designed to help traders identify potential trend reversal zones with precision. Alright, now this indicator actually leverages the average true range and price median calculations. Okay, and the indicator helps to pinpoint high probability reversal zones, right? As we can see, it helps to pinpoint high probability reversal zones, making it a good tool for both scalpers and day traders and also swing traders, right? So as you can see, when the indicator is above the candlesticks, it shows, when the indicator is above the candlesticks trending downwards, it shows a sell signal. It shows a bearish signal. All right, it shows that it's a bearish trend. When the indicator is above the candlesticks and the color is red and it is trending downwards, it shows that we have a bearish trend. Okay, and then when the color changes to blue and the indicator flips to the downside below the candlesticks, it shows a bullish signal. It shows that the trend is now bullish. All right, now in addition to identifying the trend, this indicator also gives precise entry points with the aid of arrows. All right, so we can see that these arrows help to predict reversal points or continuation points. For example, in this case, this was formerly a sell trend, right? It was a sell move, as we can see. It was a sell move, okay? But the indicator predicted a bearish reversal here. With the aid of this arrow, it gave a sell signal. And you can see that the price sold afterwards, all the way down to this point. We had a breakout from the channel and the price dipped all the way to this support zone, right? So if you want to enter a sell, wait for the arrow to appear. After the arrow appears, then it's ideal that you confirm your signals. Okay, you can make sure, you can decide to use other indicators to make confirmations. All right, you can use the moving average and perhaps one of and another indicator. You can decide to use two indicators to confirm the signals. All right, just for the sake of enhanced confidence in your trades. All right, so that you can be sure that the signals are high probability signals. So after we got the signal from the super trend indicator, we can see that the moving average gave us a confirmation around here, and the MACD also gave us a confirmation showing that there was bearish momentum building up. And then as for your exit signals, I would recommend that you make use of support and resistance zones, okay? Because sometimes the signals from the super trend indicator might not come on time. For example, if you are waiting for a blue arrow to appear, it means you would have exited your sell here, and that means you wouldn't have made a profit. All right, so but if you're making use of support and resistance zones, then you should have exited your sell around here instead at this support zone, right? Now, in the case of a buy, we can see that in this case, the indicator gave us a signal for a buy continuation, right? So sometimes the signals might be for reversals or might be for continuations. So in this case, it was for a continuation because we already had a bullish move before this signal appeared. So in this case, you can have considered entering a buy, setting a stop loss just below the swing low, and take profit can be at the nearest resistance zone. Remember, you don't have to wait for the opposing arrow to appear because it appears late sometimes. If you had waited for it to appear, you wouldn't have made much profit because this is where it appeared and this is where you would have entered. All right. So instead, you can use your resistance zones to exit your buy trade. Okay. So using this indicator is quite easy. All right. And when you are in a sell trend, for example, if it is a trending market, make sure that you pay attention to the color code. All right. The color of this line above the candlesticks. Make sure that the color remains red. Whenever the color changes to blue, it's a sign that the trend is about to change. All right. So consider exiting your sell trade when the line changes to blue or the blue arrow appears, whichever one happens first. Okay. But then if you are in a buy trend and you notice, if you're in a buy trend and you notice the color changes to red, okay, it's a sign that the trend is possibly about to change direction. All right. So in that case, you exit your buy trade. All right. Or if you notice a red arrow appear, whichever one happens first, whether it is the color that changes to red or it's the red arrow that appears, whichever one happens first, use that to exit your buy trade. All right. So now let us talk about risk management. Risk management is very essential in trading. Okay. When you want to enter a trade, after you've gotten your confirmation, make sure that you do not over leverage. Make sure that you use appropriate lot sizes. Make sure that you do not risk more than you can afford to lose. Make sure that you do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one single trade. All right. So that you do not end up blowing your account just after a few trades. Okay. And then use good risk to reward ratio. For example, if you are risking $1, the potential profit target should be a minimum of $2. Okay. So it is ideal that you put proper risk management in you put proper risk management into consideration, right, when you are trading, right? Because capital preservation is equally as important as making profits. Okay, so take note of that. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. If you have experience using this super trend indicator, the non-repainting super trend indicator, kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. How has the indicator been for you? Have you had better trades when you are using this indicator, or has the indicator served you purposefully well? Share your thoughts in the comment section and let us know. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.